accessed the receipt which details what was seized by the Delhi police. And we have to go straight across to Amita, who's joining us from the newsroom. You have a copy of that receipt. Amita, take us through what the police have seized as a part of this investigation.
Well, Sagarika, this is explosive. Talking about this receipt or this challan that has now been issued by the police that actually details out what exactly has been now recovered. Now, this is, as we have seen, whenever elections are announced, automatically the MCC or Model Code of Conduct that comes into place. And time and again, when elections take place, we have seen that major seizures that are done by the flying squad, and this is exactly what has now been done. The date that has now been given is 29/01/2025, and when it comes to the heading the flying squad, the surveillance team, cash amount seized, it says 8 lakh rupees approximately by SHO Tilak Marg in presence of the teams that were also placed there. Articles which has been seized, this is liquor which goes up to 27 liters. As far as the name is concerned, it says that not available, but Creta having the nameplate of PB, and this is the number plate of the Punjab, as it is now being said. It is registered with the Punjab government sticker on it as well. And where was it found? Punjab Bhavan, Copernicus Marg, New Delhi on 29/01/2025. And this is when it comes to the disclosure that has now been made, the report that has now been made by the police itself, which goes on to say that as far as this receipt is concerned, the cash of 8 lakh rupees, approximately liquor 27 liters, that has been seized by the SHO Tilak Marg after the team showed at the spot, which was recovered through, I'm guessing this word is complaint. So this is what is being said, that the aforementioned amount and liquor is now in the custody of the SHO Tilak Marg police station. This is the receipt. Sagarika, explosive details that we are breaking exclusively on Times Now.
Yes, so we've accessed the receipt. We are telling you all about the investigation, and now the spotlight is back on the seizures. Thank you, Amita, for taking us through those exclusive details. Tejashree, coming back to you, how does one explain the fact that there is campaign material of the Aam Aadmi Party in this car, which is, seized right outside the Punjab Bhavan? There is a Punjab Sarkar sticker on the car. You can argue that the number plate is fake. You can argue that, the owner of this vehicle is not a resident of Punjab. But then when there is the campaign material of the Aam Aadmi Party that has been found, when there's a sticker of the Punjab Sarkar found, when the car is found right outside the Punjab Bhavan, how can all the other questions be completely dismissed as it is now being by the Aam Aadmi Party?
Well, absolutely. See, Times Now has exclusively managed to access this particular seizure memo, and in fact, in this particular memo, it is giving a proof that the seizure of cash of rupees 8 lakhs have been made, and not just that, but it also highlights that liquor has also been seized. And in fact, this particular documents, the seizure memo, the receipt that we are highlighting, this certainly shows that yes, the vehicle was parked outside the Punjab Bhavan. Not just that, but the exact amount, that is the evidence, that's the proof in numbers that is mentioned in that particular receipt. The liquor is also the receipt also mentions about the seizure of liquor as well. And now this entire matter is under investigation. They will be police will be investigating so as to from where does this vehicle come from, and not just that, but the CCTV movement of this entire area will also be monitored. But as far as the politics is concerned, yes, it particularly continues. And as you have rightly mentioned, that there are several questions so as to why that vehicle is parked over there, why there are pamphlets of Aam Aadmi Party, and how that vehicle has in fact liquor and cash inside it. And in fact, keeping in mind that earlier also questions were raised so as to why the Punjab vehicles are roaming in the national capital. However, Aam Aadmi Party says that this is a deliberate attempt done by the BJP to stop the work and malign the image of Aam Aadmi Party.
So the focus now is going to be on the second part of the investigation. Yes, the vehicle has been seized. Incriminating material has been found. The seizure note, viewers, is on your screens. But next, the Delhi police will now scan through CCTV footage to find out when this car entered the capital. Where was it heading to? More details about the owner will also come out, and that becomes the top focus here on Times Now. Taking a short break. We'll be back with more news and updates.